Hi Darrell, it's Darrell here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 with only 26,000 kilometers on it, and the price is 13,488. This motorcycle is in absolutely perfect condition. Okay, it's a pearl white metallic with silver. It's two-tone. Has an ABS, traction control. The tires are like new. The whole condition of the vehicle motorcycle is just perfect. Here's the rear tire. Has nice saddlebags. Has a tool pack on it too. The top case. There we go. It has some small accessories. It has a luggage rack on a tool pack and a little pouch here. So it has an audio system, the cruise control, and much more. The hydraulic clutch, lots of chrome on it too. So heel shifter. Motorcycle is fully certified and is available for sale. I know you have a trade-in. Please send me a few pictures of your motorcycle so I can take better look and give you some ideas what we can do with your trade. Thank you. You can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. Thank you.